Frankenstein's monster is one of the most instantly recognizable images of Halloween. But where did this misunderstood giant come from? In the year 1816, an 18-year-old woman named Mary Shelley was attending a get-together. The group was having deep intellectual discussions, as well as reading old German ghost stories around a fire. The host of the party, Lord Byron, proposed a contest in which each person in the group would write their own supernatural tale. The end result of Mary Shelley's efforts was the novel known as Frankenstein. It tells the tale of a young scientist, Victor Frankenstein, who creates a man by stitching together parts from other bodies before bringing the new creature to life. The rest of the story centers on Dr. Frankenstein and his efforts to track down and destroy his own creation. The book was first published in 1818, when Mary Shelley was 21. Critics were highly outspoken against the novel, but it was popular with average readers and became an instant success. After its release, it was almost immediately adapted into a stage play. There are also several different film versions of the story, the most famous being the 1931 production Frankenstein, which features Boris Karloff as the monster. In popular culture, the monster is usually referred to as Frankenstein. However, this is technically not correct, as the last name, Frankenstein, refers to the doctor and not his creation. The monster itself has no official name, and in fact, in the novel is only referred to by terms such as creature, monster, demon, or fiend. Despite his unflattering portrayal, the character of Frankenstein's monster is actually a gentle creature who is only feared by the local community because of his monstrous appearance. This depiction of the gentle giant is consistent through most modern adaptations of the story. Frankenstein is considered one of the earliest examples of science fiction, and it has continued to influence popular culture for nearly 200 years. It has spawned an entire genre of horror movies and stories featuring the monster. Also, the Frankenstein monster can be seen in television shows and comic books, on toy store shelves, and it also remains a popular Halloween costume for all ages.